Hello, Julie here and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm here to share a flip through of my latest digital kit. It's called Pretty in Pink. So here we go. It's got, I did have it written down somewhere. Here we go. It's 43 pages altogether, 10 background pages, 10 journal pages, 20 pages of embellishments and 3 pages of fussy cuts. So let's get started. So I'm starting with the background pages. So there's one. Another. So I actually created these papers to make a journal for my granddaughter, and she said her favourite colour was pale pink, so that's where the pink came from. This is a collage paper of all the assorted backgrounds that are available. So the backgrounds are nice and plain, easy to write on, easy to embellish. And now that's the background. Now we have our journal pages. So here we go. So it's florals and lace basically. Oh, and there's some frames, some gold frames. So we've got the lace across the top, we've got the big frame and the florals there. A couple of frames in the background, some lace across the top. Here we have the stripes with the lace, top, bottom and centre, and then some florals on that one. Nice frame at the top, some lace at the bottom and some florals. Here we have the lace through there again with the 2 florals. There's our collage page with some florals added to it and some lace. We've got lace here, here and here. Okay, so that's it for the journal pages. Now we've got our embellishment pages. Now there's 20 pages of embellishments, so a nice variety. So these are clusters, so we can layer our square, then our circle, then our floral on top of that. Tickets in varying sizes, so we've got plain tickets there, we've got tickets with florals on them there. We've got a larger size there that's got some florals and some plain, and here we've got this same size ticket but mostly patterned. Then we've got some larger tickets there. Here we have a slotted pocket, so those two go together back to back. And then I've created some lace bobbins here. We've got some shaped pockets. So this one's shape is like that, straight bottom, and this one shapes down. So this one shapes up, this one shapes down, and a few circles there. We've got 12 tags, heavily patterned, lightly patterned, one plain one that you can do, embellish on. Large tags, so it's a bit hard to see with the white, but when you cut this out you'll see that, you've got these are the curved top tags and they're large ones. Here are some large flat top tags, a bit easier to see. Here we have some coin envelopes, so they would be that way. 2 coin envelopes, one plain for you to embellish yourself, one that's got a bit of embellishing on it. Some frames, so we've got 4 frames there. We've got lace on those 2, we've got lace and florals on the other 2. And then we've got a few more tickets here just for a bit of variety. And I use tickets also like labels, so the plainer ones you can stamp on if you want to, put a number on it, whatever. These are the bags. So, yeah, two bags. We've got some tags here that have got the florals on them and some lace frame. Just some nice little tags to use. We've got some postcards there and some film negatives there. Some journaling cards that are shaped like a file folder. These are little or large booklets. They've got the domed tops. You fold them in half and then you can write on the inside and you can pop them in a pocket, or you could even add pages to this, you know, staple some pages in the middle to make a booklet. We have a double negative slide, what do they call them? Slide frame, I guess, and an envelope with a large floral on it. Here we have another large envelope. This is like a full page envelope, so in the pink with the lace and the floral. Here we have a couple more pockets, so the same style as the other pockets, just different variation on it. And here we have another double slide. Here we have a plain slide, double opening slide. We've got some circles here, and we've got a quite large envelope there. A small envelope here and a small envelope here. These are the envelopes with the shaped flaps. Now we're on to the fussy cuts. So there's a lot of floral fussy cuts. A whole page there and a whole page here. And then we've got some frames in our fussy cuts as well. Alright, so that is my kit that I'll be working with for the next month. And yeah, so Pretty in Pink it's called. I'll put a link in the description box below so that you can pop over and check it out. It'll be for sale in my Etsy and my Ko-fi. So yeah, check it out. Thanks for watching, and I hope you can join me when I post my next video. Okay, bye.